Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to perform the motion capture just by using your camera or record as MP4 and then make it become an iClone motion file for your iClone it. And it is really completely free. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. How are you going to do this? Alright, first you have to scroll down, go to my video descriptions and go and download the plask.ai iClone 8cc4.i avatar. This is one of the AI avatar that I already prepared for you just for iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. Go and download it. It is an AI avatar. We need to start from here. And next, get into the Plus Video Motion Capture for free. This is just a website. Right click copy and you can just click into that. It is going to bring you into here, the plask.ai. Alright, now you can see this is the AI motion capture website. What you are going to do is just click sign in and make sure you already sign in just by using your Gmail account or any of the email. Sign up and sign in, then click get started. Right. Once you click get started, you should be able to see it is totally black. It is totally blank at here. This is the plask.ai interface. And what you're going to do is just open your camera. For example, the camera here, just by using your webcam. It can be just a low quality or very cheap webcam. It's okay. It's no problem. Just a webcam to record an MP4 video. So now I already have a sample video here. Once you already recorded an MP4 video, next, what you can do is just drag this MP4 video into the plask.ai. So start from now. Just take notes here. This is the plask.ai. Drag the MP4 video to the side. It's the first step. Drag in. Extract mocap from the video. You have to click confirm. And now you have to wait for a few seconds until it finishes. Now you have to wait. It is reading, it is detecting the whole motion file, and then the plask.ai already detected that in this MP4 file, it is totally 12.7 seconds. Next, you are going to crop the video, crop the part of the video that you want to extract the motions. So maybe I want to crop from here to somewhere here. Alright, this is to select the part that you want to perform the motion capture. And everything will be performed by the AI. You no need to wear any of the mocap suits. You just need to use a camera, use a webcam to take an MP4 video of yourself. You can dance, you can do some martial arts, anything. Next, click extract motions. Click here, and then the extracted motion, I'm going to give this motion a name, for example, dance 03, for example. Then I click OK. And now it is extracting the mocap. Just wait for a while until it finishes. It can take up to 1 minute and it is really just a while. Alright, once done already, it automatically pop out at here. You look at your library. You already have the dance 01. So now, and you also already download the plask.ai iClone 8cc4.i avatar. What you are going to do the next is drag the dance 03 into mannequin. Drag and drop into here. And now you can just play to have a look. It is really already done the mocap. What you are going to do? Click here. And you should be able to see your dance 03 is here. Then what can you do? What you are going to do is just right click dance 03 and then click export. Right click dance 03, click export. And then the motion dance 03, the format will be in FBX. The motion dance 03, click export. It can take up to 3 minutes, but in my experience, it always shorter than 3 minutes. It takes just a while. And this is a Google Chrome browser. Once it finishes, it will automatically appear at the left bottom corner here. it is going to download the FBX file. Now you can see it is downloading. Just take a few seconds, and you need to wait until it finish downloads. This is the Google Chrome browser. It finished downloaded already. I will click here, show in folder. Right. Its name is the mannequin.fbx, so I suggest you to rename it properly. Press F2 to rename it. Name it as dance03. You always want the file name to be named properly. And next, what you are going to do, so this is your download folder. Your download folder, your dance03fbx, and then your plask.ai iClone 8 cc4.i avatar. For example, now you can open your iClone. Okay, this one this is my iClone. I'm going to start from a fresh new project. I don't want to save anything here. And then the window, I'm going to switch the workplace to standard. That's all. This is the iClone 8 interface that you're already familiar with. And then drag in the plask.ai iClone 8 cc4.i avatar. Drag in to the center. Then it is just a non-standard avatar. Next, open your download folder. You can see this is a dance03.fbx. Drag this dance03.fbx. Drag it into this avatar. Drag and drop. Next, in your iClone 8, here, make sure all are the same, the current character, auto-generate perform list, click convert all. It's the next step. Alright, convert all, and now you can check. This is really your motion capture, and still remember what is the objective of our tutorial for today. Just import the motion, and you perform the motion capture already done. And then make it become the iClone motion file for your iClone 8. Right, now at here, switch the window of the workplace to animation. Then you should be able to see your timeline is here. This is the view. You have to choose fit to window. By default, it may be the actual size, something like this. So click here to make it become fit to window, and you should be able to see your motion clip is here. Right? The motion clip is here. What you are going to do is just right click and then right click, save motion clip. This is the last step. Save motion clip. It is going to save as rlMotion file. This is what we call the iClone motion file. And as demo, I'm going to save it on my desktop, and this file name, I'm going to name it as dance03. Alright, I save it. Okay, now where's the dance03? It is here. The iClone, sorry, this one. iClone, the iClone motion file, the dance03. So what can I do? Now I'm going to restart my iClone file, start a new project, and this is already an iClone motion file. You can apply it in any of the iClone avatar, and let us test it. Click Window, Workplace, back to the standards. And now I'm going to test with a random avatar. I'm going to choose from here any of the actor, character. Okay. It can be any avatar here. I need some actor. Clothes. Alright, let's say this avatar. Drag it out. This is one of the CC4 avatar. Right, it is already loaded. And what can I do with the rlMotion? The rlMotion is here, dance03. Drag the iClone motion file into any of the avatar in iClone. And now we can just test it to see how it performed the motion capture that you already saved just now. Just play with it. Yes, now you can see this CC4 avatar in iClone. It's really dance with the motion clip that you perform, that you already captured just now. Right, it is really amazing. It is really awesome. It is really a motion clip. You can create any of the 3D animations, like your Kung Fu, like your martial arts, any of your dance, etc. Alright, that's all for today about how to perform the motion capture just by using your camera or any of the MP4 video. and then to perform the motion capture by using the AI. And finally, make it become an iClone motion file that you can apply in any iAvatar, any avatar in iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy animation and game developing. See you!